Hi friends, I hope you had a good day today. Uh, Today market opened gap down and comfortably filled the gap after some time. If you, if we are smart enough to capture this move, we could have definitely made easily more than about 300 to 500 points in bank nifty. Anybody thinking that okay, market is down, it may go lower, market is bearish, with all the negative news around, if somebody would have shorted, would have been stuck on the wrong side. So two trades which we got today. One was a call 38,700, which gave us from 4,500 to 800 points, and we were able to capture about 200 points in the day. And then there was one put which gave us almost about 100 points, which is good uh, when you look at intraday perspective. Now, friends, what is that we can expect tomorrow? And if you have any queries, please do type on the chat box. If you are looking at the equity, please share if you are holding the quantity, what is the quantity size. I also mentioned if it is a your you have a query about any particular option, then please share the strike price and the entry price also. So let's now look at what can we expect tomorrow. For tomorrow, for me, if price is sustaining above this level of 39,900, it may try to test the higher side. However, whether price will able to uh, move strongly above 39, today's high of 39,300 or come down is something which we need to look at tomorrow. So let's look at option tree once to have a better idea. And also I want to understand if everybody are able to hear me loud and clear. If yes, please just type yes. So I'm also comfortable to go ahead. Uh, Nifty, if you see, the PCR is around 1. So slowly it is bullish, and we also see the put writing at 17,000 is quite huge comparatively to the call side. So there is a strong put writer standing at 17,000 and 1,700. In fact, at the closing, I think they have added more 1,700 calls and 1,700 as well. So giving us the conviction that market will be slightly on the upper side when it comes to Nifty. When we look at Bank Nifty, also now the put writing is huge. Equally, the call writers at 40,000, 40,000, 41,000 are standing tall. However, at the end, 39,000 put writers have written and standing, giving us a conviction that price can be stronger on the upper side. For me, what I expect tomorrow is there is a strong possibility that price will go up or open gap up or open positive. I wouldn't say use the word gap up. Gap up is something where price should open above 100 200 points. There is a strong possibility that price can open at 17,212 and move towards 17,400 and sorry, 39,400 and 39,750 also. So if price sustains above this level, or if price is able to sustain above this, then I'm expecting a upswing. Meanwhile, if price sustains below these levels of 38,900 or 38,920, then I expect the price to move lower, maybe even lower than today's low. So for tomorrow, I would, honestly speaking, I expect the price to move on both the sides, like the way it did today. Market moved up, opened gap down, filled the gap, came down as well. So, and this is the structure which I currently see in the market. Market possibly go up, hit around 739, 720, but by end of expiry, there is also a strong possibility that it may try to hit 38, 200 or 400 levels also. So don't be stay overly bullish or overly bearish as well. As I see a different structure in the market which is formed. However, to be honest, this is with the pattern which is formed right now. Market definitely is slightly on the bullish side. But where the bulls will get tired and they want to take rest and allow the bears to come down is something which you need to be cautious about. When it comes to Nifty, Nifty now was pretty strong. It took a long time to consolidate and go upwards. The gap filling was done on a very, there was still a bit of gap which is pending, which it could not fill. So, however, tomorrow, as I mentioned, Bank Nifty is giving a bullish. Nifty may stay range bound and then try to move up towards 17,300 levels or so. And meanwhile, I think our friend Ankur is asking me to evaluate SGX. Yes, definitely we will definitely should do that. In fact, when we are looking at Nifty chart, it's also very good to look at SGX because there is no gaps when it comes to SGX. So, however, also I want to tell you if market is doesn't sustain moves below this, then I expect price to hit to price can below this price of 17,185. I expect the price to move towards 17,125, and below this we may even look at testing 1775. However, initially there is a strong possibility of up move, and then maybe we may come down as a bull get higher. Also, currently we see SGX is slightly is flattish. Uh, Not showing any strong up moves. It is just moving around aimlessly within this range for quite some time. I'm talking about the range of 17 to 85 and 17,147. So if you look at SGX, I honestly don't get any positive feel, but what we also see when Dow Jones is it is slightly now it is rainbow in this region. Bulls are slightly trying to take control and move up. but however, the bears are still strongly in favor of downwards. So global views are still negative. However, Indian market is positive, and we hope that it continues to do so. If you look at Maruti, we would like to bring our attention towards Maruti. Maruti looks very bullish. It hit our target. If you see our video yesterday, we were expecting short, and in fact, it came down in the initial market. It came down till we were expecting 8720. However, price moved as low as 8682 as well. And then you were a strong up move. I'm very sure, confident that this up move will continue tomorrow as well, and we may even see a 8,980 to 9,000 levels shortly. TCS results are out, and much before the TCS results itself, the market has been positive. To look at this pattern here, it has given a breakout trend line, moved up, and the day retested this line and then given a very strong up move, giving us a feeling that this particular gap will be filled, and we may even see 3,260 levels in a couple of days. So whether we see 3,280 or 3,225 is something which we will come to know based on the price movement tomorrow. Meanwhile, we had shared, I think, buy in LTI, last both Infotech and Ambuja Cement. Ambuja Cement, end of day, we have given shared a buy. LTI has been very strong, good trendline support. If you see this candle, there's good support, given a strong up move, and we should be able to see 4,880 level very shortly. I was also talking about Ambuja Cement. Ambuja Cement, we had one entry earlier. We are looking at a re-entry tomorrow. As the price has given a breakout, retested. So tomorrow we should be able to see good strong up move, and I expect LTI to consolidate a little and then tend to hit towards 530 levels in a couple of days. I would also suggest our friends to accumulate that GVK. Now a very slow stock. We should be able to see some very strong moves towards 220 to 35 levels also. And I think the previous high of this stock was $4. Target for TCS would be I think, as I mentioned, I am expecting somewhere close to 3,180 to 3,280 levels or so. Uh, the other couple of stocks I think we should be watching is uh, Zeal. Zeal seems to be consolidating, and now slightly it is slightly range bound. Good time to accumulate, as we may see Zeal coming up to 292 levels in couple of days. In the Nifty 50 stocks, some of my current favorites is look at introduction time. Uh, Axis Bank, I think our friend is feeling it is bullish. Let's look at Axis Bank. Very strong nice up to this was a good breakout here. Can you move stronger up on the upside is something which we should be watching. And the results are also coming in this couple of days. And the way the bulls are in control of this stock, I wouldn't be surprised if 790 to 800 levels are tested in this stock. Any queries, friends, please do write in the platform, and we'll try our best to consolidate and answer the queries of our friends. Meanwhile, I want you to keep your attention on transformer at 970 plus. We should see very strong buying, which we saw at 940. There is a possibility that transformer will consolidate and then give a peak in the move and then get to the 990 level. The other stock which I have in view is or I would request our viewers to watch is Bharti Airtel. Uh, Bharti Airtel, I would wait for some time as the price may consolidate and then make a kind of a triangle, and then we should be able to see 795 to 800 in some time. So thank you all. I hope I'm able to answer most of your queries. So I'll be posting some stock entries in some time, and I hope tomorrow or day is again profitable. Good luck. And thank you. Thanks for joining and good night also.